Good morning, right? Now I'm ready for the English catch up. It's been another month, a little bit longer, and in this past month, a lot happened. But let me start with yesterday evening, a tree talked to me. A tree talked to me? Yeah, a tree talked to me. It fell out. It was growing, it was growing up there in the wall, and it was dry, and it's dead, and it's been dead for years. And all of a sudden, I heard it fall over, saying, "Hello, Colin, come and look at me." So I came over and looked at him, and it had fallen on the Schweizerhäusli. Literally, just boom. Right? And then it talked to me, said, "I want to be a fence." That's what it said to me. It said, "I want to be a fence." So this morning, I've cut it up, and all these long is going to become part of the fence, because down there is going to be a fence. I'm putting up a fence because this is going to be the miniature zoo. Again, it's perfect timing that it says to me, "Come here, do this," because yesterday we got confirmation as well that 2 goats are coming to live with us. 2 typical black and white Wallis goats. Let me show you a picture of what they could look like. Yeah, see, so those 2 goats are coming to live with us. I'll introduce you to them as soon as they're here. Well, anyway, let me tell you what I've been up to this past month, or what we've been up to. We told you last month that we reached our goal with the crowdfunding, and since then we've planted 152 plant pots, trees, shrubs, bushes.
Everything you need is right in front of you, when you learn to see. Good things come to you. All you have to do is stop and take a look around.
Darf ich euch den Markt vorstellen? Kennengelernt an der Bar, und jetzt steht schon da unser neuer Star von Paradischi Drieschta, der Markt!
Before you intervene, don't do anything. Just come to all your senses. They'll tell you everything. First you have to learn to stop.
I've been expanding. I'm really happy about this, and I'll probably make just a video especially about it. My water system that runs down the vegetable terraces and into the food forests as well. Well, the Mackhugel food forest, that's already got water running through it when I've got the water running, and now I've got water running through the veg beds and running towards the food forest number 1, which still needs a name, by the way. Yeah, and I've dug some holes and some ponds, and
Then take a look around. Take a look around. Listen to the sound. Why not take a whiff? You'll see much better if you use more than just your eyes. Take a step outside. If you wanna know what your soil is like and what is gonna grow. All you have to do is stop and take a look around. Take a look around. Get your hands into the ground. Don't be scared of the dirt. It isn't gonna hurt.
so here's my 3 vegetable terraces. The water starts up there, runs through the terraces, out through there, through the hedge. Hopefully I can pull it over here. It will definitely run down here. You can see the water way, and then also from terrace 2 it'll come out there, join the waterway where you can see naturally. Yeah, and then here further down where we have shade, I see that as a possible watering catchment, because what I've got there is I've got a dense, diverse growth, the main part there, plus also it looks like a key line or an acupuncture spot, or because I've got a lot of growth there, I'm assuming a lot of water is collected there. All the water that comes down from the hill collects there. So if I just largen that up, make a hole there, then maybe I'll be able to catch more water, because the water's there, otherwise it wouldn't be such a dense growth. Well, that's the way I see it anyway.
And if you're brave, try the flavor. Take a handful of that land and go on, squeeze it in your hand. Then check out the display. If it stays together, it's clay. But if it falls apart, it's sand. Oh yeah, take a look, take a look, take a look. Read the landscape like a book. Interact, low impact, get your feedback when you take a look around. Abundance will abound. The problem is the solution. Just depends on your perception. Try to change yourself before the world. Yeah, take a look around. On the inside and the out. 'Cause when you observe yourself, you see everything else. Make good use of it now.
What's also happened is the sheep have come, and we are now grazing the sheep. It took us about a couple of weeks to get the sheep grazing because they were just free. Because, funny story, Orlando, the previous guy up here, there's his sheep, and he's still going to bring them. And one Saturday morning, the phone rang. It was him. He said, the sheep are now on your land. No, he's coming. He's bringing them, wasn't he? They're on your land. So he just left them in the middle of the land. So Claudia and I have had to build up a relationship slowly with them to be able to get them in the fence grazing. But now they're grazing, and we're moving them around daily. Yep, well, I think we're going to close our bar now. The bar's closing because the end season's raining. It's raining a lot. It's autumn, it's winter, the season is ending. So I think we'll be closing the bar up. But that's okay. Yeah, and mushrooms. Oh, yeah, I've not told you about the mushrooms yet. I have started cultivating mushrooms. I've got...
People say I'm a fun guy, but that's more than what I am. Well, you can call me fungus. Come underground to my pad to jam.
I've got lots of wood. I'll show you them. Lots of wood pellets full of different mushrooms. The shiitake, oysters, seedlings, just loads of different ones. And I'm putting them into logs, producing... So I've got mushrooms growing for the next 7 years. And I'm putting them in tree stumps that I've cut the logs off. So those tree stumps grow mushrooms. And I've got them everywhere. They're going to be featured. Look.
There's not much room down there, but we've got mycelium. Wanna wrap mycelium around you till super kingdom come. Yeah, I wanna wrap mycelium around you, wrap mycelium around you, wrap mycelium around you.
Yes, and mushrooms, planting 152 plants, just cutting this tree, sheep, grazing the sheep, new goats coming. Yeah, it's been a busy month. Thanks for joining me. If you just joined us for the first time, welcome to Drieschta. Please subscribe, subscribe and comment. Don't forget, it helps us grow. And yeah, we're all about growth up here in Drieschta. Hey, guys, have fun. Yeah, look after yourselves, keep in touch, and talk to you soon. Bye.